Hi guys, day 69 today of my everydays, and I'm doing a cauliflower dish, Kung Pao Cauliflower I think it's called. So I'm going to take the cauliflower florets and I'm going to mix them into a mixture of chickpea flour, water, a little bit of corn flour in there to make it like a crispy, almost like a crispy batter, and then just kind of mix that up into a smooth batter. Add in some 5 spice for some seasoning. Then pop all those cauliflower florets into the batter and give it a good mix so they're all coated. Place them on a baking tray and pop them into an oven for about 30 minutes. So to make the sticky sweet sauce, we've got garlic, soy sauce, maple syrup, rice vinegar and some garlic. So first of all, just sesame oil in a pan, add the garlic and the ginger together, then goes in the soy sauce and maple syrup, and then the vinegar at the end. To thicken up this sauce, just mix a little bit of corn flour and some water and add it into it, and it will thicken it nicely. So you want to put this sauce all over your cauliflower once it's done, so it makes it all nice and sticky, and serve it straight away with some jasmine rice, which is utterly delicious. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow.